Hi dear friends! If you have your microwave made of stainless steel inside, the main thing is to choose right cleaning supplies, tools and materials to clean it inside fast and properly.
Today we'll be cleaning a microwave made of stainless steel inside. In order to remove such kind of dirt and stains, spray them well first with Easy Off Oven Cleaner and leave the microwave for 30-40 minutes to loosen them before starting cleaning. When 30 minutes expired, take a regular sponge and remove first all the dirt from the top of the microwave. Then move left to right around the microwave and clean left, back, and right walls consequently. At the end, wipe down the bottom of the microwave. Spray inside of the microwave with Windex. Then take microfiber rag and start wiping down the top of the microwave, then left, back, and right walls of it. Finish with the bottom of the microwave. While wiping down, you are doing both, removing stains and dirt, and polishing stainless inside of the microwave. Do you like the result? In my opinion, it works. If you have grill inside of your stainless steel microwave, accurately take it down in order to clean the ceiling of the microwave. Spray the top with oven cleaner and let it sit for 30 minutes. Take wet with soapy water microfiber cloth and remove both dirt and the chemical from the top of your microwave. The same time you are polishing ceiling of the microwave. Nevertheless, after removing all the dirt, take dry microfiber cloth to delete residue from the top of your microwave. Now you are ready to put the grill up on its place. Then clean the microwave as usual, left to right. Take out glass platform and the ring to clean the bottom of your microwave.